The built environment sector is the cornerstone of our nation's infrastructure. It encompasses everything from residential buildings to commercial spaces and public amenities. This sector not only supports our daily lives, but also drives economic growth and enhances our quality of life. The traditional construction and facilities management methods are no longer sufficient to build and maintain our infrastructure in a sustainable and resource-efficient manner. Innovation and industrial transformation have become increasingly essential. Innovation in the built environment sector is not just about adopting new technologies, it's about rethinking our processes and embracing a culture of continuous improvement. We need to leverage advancements in robotics and automation to enhance productivity, ensure safety, and reduce our environmental footprint. This is why the Building and Construction Authority, together with Enterprise Singapore, formed the Centre of Innovation for Built Environment Robotics and Automation, or COI-BERA.
The COI-BERA brings together Ngee Ann Polytechnic and Temasek Polytechnic to offer expertise in robotics and automation across design, fabrication, assembly, integration, and programming. The Centre will collaborate with built environment companies to develop and deploy innovative and customizable solutions to meet the needs of the sector.
COI-BERA aims to assist Singapore small and medium enterprises, or SMEs, to develop and deploy robotics and automation technologies. This will improve productivity in the labour-intensive built environment sector. Through COI-BERA, we combine Ngee Ann Polytechnic's and Temasek Polytechnic's technical capabilities in service robots, autonomous vehicles, hardware and software technologies. Collectively, this will provide better support for the development and deployment of robotics and automation projects and enable more SMEs to capture emerging opportunities and meet new demands.
Our focus areas include built construction, covering robotics and automation systems for both on and off-site activities, inspection, worksite patrol and surveillance, including worksite safety and hazard identification, workers identification and security verification, facility management and inspection in buildings.
Enterprise Singapore partners local polytechnics to support SMEs to improve productivity, innovate and internationalize. COI-BERA serves as a one-stop innovation hub for enterprises to develop and test-bed new technologies. By leveraging the combined capabilities and resources of both polytechnics, COI-BERA empowers SMEs to drive business growth and contribute to the transformation of Singapore's built environment industry.
COI-BERA is
Here
To support this
Transformation
by
collaborating
collaborating
with
with
you.
you.